How to search and book dynamic packages with Unit.Travel. In this video, we will explain how to quickly and easily search dynamic packages, discuss the benefits of booking dynamic holiday packages with Unit.Travel, and how you can profit from it. How to create magic and book all the travel products you need for your trip in one click. We have the answer, and it's called the Holiday Finder tab. Here, you can book unique and advantageous dynamic packages from any point to any destination worldwide in just minutes. We especially draw your attention to dynamic packages with departures from locations where other tour operators don't have blocks or charters. You'll see for yourself that it's more profitable than booking flights and hotels separately. Moreover, medical insurance is included in the price of our trips. You can also always set your own commission for dynamic packages or calculate the necessary commission for a specific booking. Let's see how it works. Choose your departure point and destination. You can specify an airport or city and optionally include nearby airports. You can also select multiple departure and arrival points or choose an entire country, for example Spain, or region, for example Europe. If you haven't decided on your arrival point yet and want to explore prices for different directions, select the Anywhere option, and the results will show all flights available from your chosen departure point and hotels for the specified number of nights. In this case, the price is for 2 people for 7 nights, including flights. You can also use the Find on Map function, for example Eiffel Tower, and the system will find hotels within a radius of 500 meters to 10 kilometers from the desired point and suggest flights from airports closest to this location. Let's find available dynamic packages from Warsaw to Portugal. Choose the start date of your trip. It can be a specific date, a date range, or a whole month. For example, January. Specify the duration of your trip, the number of nights, or the exact return date. By default, the flight class is set to economy, but you can change it to a higher class. Select the number of passengers. If needed, you can use additional search filters such as airline, hotel category, meal plan, free cancellation, only with baggage, and direct flights only. On the main search page, please pay attention to the sales section, where Unit.Travel offers dynamic packages at the lowest prices. Once you've entered all the required parameters, click the search button and proceed to the list of available packages. If you select a country instead of a specific city as your destination, the system will offer you several destinations within that country. Choose the one that interests you. You can view the results as a list. And check the location of the hotels on a map. You can also sort the results, for example, by price, reviews, or the maximum discount offered by the supplier. By default, the results are displayed under the Recommended parameter. These are hotels sorted by the system based on the following criteria: most frequently booked by agents, high ratings, including agent reviews, and the best price to quality ratio. On the left, there are various filters, where you can select departure and arrival times, choose a meal plan, or for example, select adults-only hotels, pet-friendly hotels, hotels with ski services, mini kitchens, beaches, swimming pools, among other filters to refine your search. In the proposal, you will find details on accommodation, meal plans, and flight information. By clicking on it, you can view details about included and additional baggage. You can change the flight using the side filter or select another flight during the booking process. Additional baggage can be purchased either during booking or separately after creating the request and added to the existing booking. You can also view hotel photos, the price of the offer, and what it includes. For convenience and clarity, the system displays prices in 2 formats simultaneously: net and gross. You can adjust this option in your personal account settings under the Commission and Markup section. According to airline policies, all flight tickets must be paid for within 2 hours of booking creation. For non-refundable rates, you need to pay the full cost within this time. For the flexible cancellation rate, you only need to pay for the flight ticket within 2 hours, with the rest due by the specified final payment date. You can publish this list of hotels on Facebook with one click or send a link to it. You can also create a selection of chosen dynamic packages from this list. To do so, click on the suitcase icon and either add this dynamic package to an existing selection or create a new one. Later, the selection can be sent to the client. To view all the hotel's offered prices, click on All Rooms and Prices. Or go to the hotel's page to get more detailed information, and if necessary, customize your flight thoroughly. On this page, you can also copy the link to the selected dynamic packages, post it on social media, copy the offer in text format or as an image. In this section, you can adjust the stay period and the number of guests. In the calendar, you can see price trends and the lowest price for the relevant date range. To view all possible flights and select another flight if needed, click the Customize Your Flight button. You can use additional filters and group by room type. Read hotel reviews not only from Booking.com and TripAdvisor, but also honest feedback from your fellow agents who work with Unit.Travel and can be trusted. These 3 sources of reviews create an objective hotel rating. Be sure to check the accommodation conditions section, where additional fees, taxes, check-in/checkout times, and hotel contact information are provided. Select a price option and click the Book Now button. On the booking page, you will find information about the selected flight, with the option to choose a different one, as well as the details about the selected hotel. In the right column, cost breakdown, payment terms, and cancellation policies. Each dynamic package automatically includes medical insurance for the entire travel period, so you don't need to search for or pay for it separately. In this section, you can add travel cancellation insurance and transfers to or from the hotel. Enter information for each traveler as per their international passports, which they will use for the flight. Please fill in traveler details carefully, as making changes to passport information is subject to airline rules and in some cases may incur additional charges. If necessary, add baggage for all passengers or a specific passenger. Select the payment method, by agent or by traveler. Enter a coupon code if you have one, and it meets the booking conditions. If needed, you can adjust, decrease or increase your agent commission. If you or your client has additional hotel booking requests, such as a ground floor room, a balcony, or separate beds, choose from the provided options or describe your requests in English, and we will ask the hotel to accommodate them if possible. You can also ask any questions in the chat to receive prompt assistance with your issue. Be sure to review the important information about accommodation section. After entering all the details, click the Next Check Final Details button. On the data checking page, review the entered data. If you need to make edits, click the Change Data button and return to the previous page. Carefully review the booking and insurance terms, check the box to confirm that you have read and agree to the terms. Click Book Now. For bookings, you need to pay the full cost of the dynamic package within 2 hours, if it is a non-refundable rate. Alternatively, you only need to pay for the flight ticket if it is a free cancellation rate. We must warn you that during the ticketing process, the price may change. If you do not agree to the price increase, we will cancel the booking and refund your money. If the dynamic package is not paid for within 2 hours, it will be automatically canceled without any penalties. After full payment, the airline will issue the flight ticket, and the hotel will issue the voucher. The ticketing process can take from 5 minutes to 3 hours. Your e-ticket will be sent to the email address provided during booking. The booking will be assigned a reference number, which you can use to find the booking and its associated documents in the menu section, Client Management, Bookings. We created dynamic packages for your convenience, saving time and offering the opportunity to increase your earnings by managing your own commission. We could talk about them endlessly, but it's better to try them yourself. Wishing you successful and speedy bookings.